So hi everybody, it's a girl Preshfi. For today's demo, I'm going to be showing you how to do the kneeling typewriter push-up. It's a great workout for the chest, for the shoulders, the back, the arms. Excellent. So all you need to do is to get into a kneeling position, first and foremost, and then keep those hands slightly wider away from the shoulder. So from here, okay? You can interlock your legs if you want, or you can leave them that way. So from here, you go down into your push-up, then move to one side, straighten this hand out, come back, and straighten out. So from here, and that's it. You try to maintain the same level. And that is how to do the kneeling typewriter push-up. Is an awesome workout. Trust me, when you finish, you'll be on fire. I hope you like this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, do share and do subscribe. Thank you.